Hey teachers, we're going to go through a quick video on some of the how-tos for our 3-week and 6-week checkpoints. The first thing we need to do is to locate the performance assessments or the embedded assessments, depending on which level course that you teach. On level courses, we'll use TRS, Teaks Resource System, and advanced classes will use Springboard. So we're going to go through the TRS side and show you how to find the PAs, and then we're going to quickly talk about unpacking the PA. So first, we need to go to TRS and log in. Once you've logged into TRS, you're going to select your grade level. So I'm going to pick 6th grade for this video. Select a subject area, mathematics, and then click search. So what you want is the instructional focus document. And then you're going to pick the unit that is being covered during that 3-week time period. So I'm going to pick Unit 1, and you will find a lot of information about this unit. And as you scroll down, on the far right-hand side, you're going to see performance assessment. That's where we're going to find the questions used in the checkpoints. So mathematics, grade 6, unit 1, PA1, meaning performance assessment 1. So here is the performance assessment that we are going to first unpack, and then will be the checkpoint at either a 3 or 6 week assessment. So you can first, as the teacher, look over what's going to be asked on this checkpoint. As far as unpacking goes, meaning going through the questions so that the students see what they're going to need to be able to answer and at what level they're going to answer this question, I would take, not all of that, but I would take this and I would copy it onto a Word document. And I'll show you that in a second. So let's get a Word document opened here. If it would like to open. Okay, we don't want that either. We're getting there. Okay. Blank document. Perfect. And I'm going to paste this here. So here is the first PA, Unit 1, PA number 1. And the first question, I'm going to give some space here just to separate it out a little bit. Part A, again giving some space. Part B, question 2, a little bit of space. Part A, little space. Part B. Okay, so now that you have it spaced out a little bit better, you could simply print this off and give this to your students. Unpacking a PA is giving the students the questions and then having a discussion over what skills they would need to know in order to answer these questions thoroughly. While unpacking a PA, I would also give the students a grading rubric. That way they can see how this would be graded and at what level their answers need to be, meaning how detailed will their answers need to be. Then, once it is unpacked, teachers will receive a 3 or 6 week copy of that performance assessment laid out in a star-esque format. So if you look here, this is the same question, but now it's done as the actual checkpoint assessment. You can tell that I've added some tables here to help the 6th graders better organize their answers. And if you're looking at high school or high school advanced courses, you may not want to give them these organizational structures, but you might. And with sixth grade, sometimes they need a little bit of guidance, a little structure to make sure that they answer all parts of these checkpoint questions. And it keeps coming on down to part 2, again giving them tables to answer their questions just to make sure that they're thorough. So that is what a checkpoint is. The next video is going to cover how to grade and then analyze the data received from a checkpoint. Thank you guys.